Hey guys, so I decided to do a quick unboxing and activation on my Digimon X Digivice, which finally I'm able to do this, even though it's at like 2 a.m. Okay, so it says you can raise more than one Digimon with this, so that's pretty cool. And it has new animation, battle system. I do have one of the 25th anniversary Digimon Digivices, the one that glows in the dark, and I will eventually activate it as well, so then we can see them fighting, and that will be pretty awesome. So okay, so let's get to it. So there seems to be 3 instructions, one in Spanish, one in English, and one in French. So that's pretty good that they are including these so more people have the opportunity to play with a Digivice. Okay, so I set it up. I pressed the reset button before playing, and now we just wait so it hatches. Sorry if the audio isn't very good, but it's really late and I'm trying not to talk very loud. Okay, so I'll be back when it hatches. So there's levels in this, and I know there's quests, which is pretty cool. I never had one of these before because they would go for crazy prices, and I know there's newer versions as well, so hopefully I can get one in the future. I'm on the purple one, the has a golden X, I think, on it. I guess this is where it trains. Nice. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, so this is pretty cool. So I guess this records all the evolutions. Well, looks like that's it for now because it's still a baby. It can't really do much. I will be back when when it can do quests and stuff. But I really hope you like this quick unboxing, just looking at the features. I really recommend this Digivice